Graphing linear functions using intercepts. To determine the x-intercept, we would let y equals 0 and solve for the x variable, because the x-intercept is going to occur along the x-axis where y would be 0. To determine the y-intercept, let x equal 0 and solve for y. So you're going to get a y value answer because that's where x equals 0. Let's use this example to show this. Using the intercepts method, we're going to sketch the graph of y equals negative 2x plus 4. So to find the x-intercept, we're going to let y equal 0. So if in my equation, I'm going to put 0 in for y, and that allows me to have an equation with just one variable. So I'm going to solve for x. Move 4 to the other side, divide off the negative 2, x equals positive 2. So that means on my grid here, we'll label that as a 2. That's where it's going to cross the x-axis. Then I'm going to find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, you're going to let x equal 0. So given my equation, every time I see an x there, I'm going to put in 0. Now I've got y equals negative 2 times 0 is 0, so y equals 4. So on the y-axis, I'm going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to label that, or I could, as long as I put a scale in, it's fine. Or you can just label those 2 points, okay? And then you're going to connect the 2 points, keeping in mind arrowheads at the end because the graph does continue in both directions. Now try example 3 on your own and check back.